Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a recent trends in our city, Tagaytay. Tagaytay is a beautiful place with great views of Taal Lake and volcano, making it a popular spot for tourists looking to escape city life. Our city offers a mix of natural beauty, cultural experiences, and eco-friendly practices that attracts travelers who care about the environment. Places like People's Park in the Sky Ranch, and Tagaytay Picnic Grove provide different experiences for visitors. We also have cultural spots like Museo Orlina that showcase local art and Paradiso where people can learn about the environment while having fun. In Tagaytay, two significant trends are emerging: the local experiences and eco travel. The local experiences is highlighted through cultural immersion, where tourists can delve into the city's vibrant art scene at places like Museo Orlina, explore local handicrafts, and enjoy traditional foods. Community engagement is also crucial with partnership between local businesses and the city government of Tagaytay, helping preserve the authentic local character and supporting economic growth. On the eco-travel front, city government of Tagaytay is focusing on sustainable tourism practices to protect its natural environment. Initiatives such as Paradiso Theme Park promote environmental awareness by combining a zoo with a botanical garden, teaching visitors about sustainable farming practices. Additionally, the city's stunning natural beauty, like the views of Taal Lake and volcano, attract eco-conscious travelers who visit responsibly. Efforts to develop sustainable infrastructure are underway to enhance visitor experiences while minimizing environmental impact, aiming to create a more resilient and sustainable tourism model that benefits both the community and the environment. That's all for my video. I hope you learned something valuable about the tourist spot and the tourism trends here in the city government of Tagaytay.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa